Alright guys, so finally we got the Series X, Xbox Series X. Here is the image of it. It says Xbox. We get the 1 TB SSD drive and all that good stuff. We're gonna show you guys the details here. So we got 4K up to 120 FPS, 8K HDR, 1 TB SSD, VAR, 4K Blu-ray player in it as well. This is the Halo Master. If you guys play Halo, this is the dude. Power Your Dreams, Game Pass included Xbox Live. This is the console. It looks like it. This is how it looks. Alright, so we're gonna do unboxing now, guys. I'm gonna open it. Here it goes. Wow, they packed it up good. So this is the console. Gonna put this bad boy over here, like this. Just gonna take this off. Move all this stuff. I'm gonna put it up. Oh, it's just like this. So there it is, guys, the Xbox Series X. This the front right here. This is the drive there, the USB. This is the cool design they put with the green paper in there. That's cool. So we're gonna turn it around to show you guys the ports. Alright, so this is the internet connection, 2 USBs. The extended drive by the thing to put in there, the HDMI plug-in, and the power cord. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna show you the stuff here in the box. So this is the guide, how to set it up and stuff. This is the power cord right here. This is the high quality HDMI to get the high speed HDMI picture. And this is the controller, the last part of it. Okay, this is the controller right here. This is the plug for the headset. It's nice. And this is the AA batteries. And then the book, the manual book. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching.